Hi traders, this is Sin with the New Level Trading Report for Tuesday, May 10th. In pre-market, Brian took a look at finviz.com to check out some of our pre-market gainers. And here's a quick look at the end of the day results on our bubble study. As you can see, Urban Outfitters had a nice day, almost a 5% gain. Whole Foods Market had a 4% gain. PC Metro had a 3.5% gain. And it looks like PLD, which is Prologis, had about a 3.5% gain. Also, Wynn had a really nice gain today of almost 3.5%. As far as decliners go, it looks like Cisco, which had actually a great day yesterday, had an inside day with about 1.5% decline. The big loser today was Cliff Natural with a 2.5% decline. As far as stocks go, let's take a quick look at the dollar. And as we discussed last night, the dollar index ended the trading day with a spinning top reversal candle, and we did indeed continue throughout the day today to reverse that uptrend that we had begun last week on the dollar. And as you can see, we have a spinning top yesterday, followed by a gravestone doji, which probably means we'll end up down in this area again, testing these lows. Of course, that boosted stocks and futures throughout the day. The Dow futures ended up with a 70% gain. S&P futures were up almost 11 points. The Russell futures had a gain of 12 points. And finally, the NASDAQ futures were up over 20 points. And let's take a quick look now at some of the futures. And as you can see, as we discussed yesterday, it's the same type of situation where we are still in that uptrend, looking to make at least a double top on the YM. And as far as the ES goes, same type of situation, looking for that double top here, and we'll see if we can break through that. And I'll just take a quick look at the TF. And as you can see, the same type of situation. I wanted to show you also just intraday what that looked like on the dollar index. Just do a 5-minute here, and you can see that we trended downward. We actually had a nice bounce on the dollar, went sideways, and ended up actually below pre-market lows. The big winners today were Fossil, which had a really nice move after earnings that we had mentioned yesterday. You can see a nice gap up and a continued sideways action, no pullback. And the other was Wynn, which had another nice move to the upside. As you can see, looking to, it actually had a nice trending day, but I wanted to show you quickly the daily. And as you can see, we're looking to at least double top in this area. And if you look at a longer term weekly, in fact, let's just look really quickly at the monthly, just so we can see that here's the top, here's the all-time high, and we're not too far from that, although I would think that we would pull back a little bit before we come up and test that all-time high. After hours, I wanted to quickly show you with these other charts. I'm going to actually move them in. Disney, they obviously reported lower than expected earnings, and they are down over $2. And Molycorp was the big loser in earnings. As you can see, almost $10 down from the opening this morning. I just want to quickly mention I'm just going to get these out of the way here, but quickly, as far as economic reports go, we have the International Trade Report and the Petroleum Status and Treasury Budget Report. Earnings tomorrow are the IOC, which is Inter Oil Corp, OAS, Oasis Petroleum Incorporated, and CINA, which should be interesting tomorrow. That's had a lot of movement over the last few months as well. We hope you'll take a look at our website at www.newleveltraders.com for more information about becoming a member and participating in our live trading room. Thanks for checking us out today, and have a great evening.